Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the Value Education class. In our last class, we have read about the Shudha Chandran, actress and dancer. She was a very good dancer, but once she met an accident and she lost her foot, and she got a chance to get Jaipur foot, and again she worked as well as before. Okay. Next, we will read from here. The year 2001 saw a massive earthquake in Gujarat which killed about 20,000 people and led to widespread devastation of villages. Many areas were left without power. This inspired Mansukh Bhai Prajapati, an innovative potter who had designed a clay water filter, to come up with a refrigerator that could work without electricity. The refrigerator is made of clay with a combination of sawdust and sand, which makes it porous. This makes the interiors cold. The refrigerator has been named Mitti Cool. It not only keeps water cool but can store milk, fruits, and vegetables. The latter remain fresh for up to a week inside the fridge. So, in 2001, massive means very big, very devastating. That means very dangerous uh, earthquake came in Gujarat and which killed many of the people. Near about 20,000 people were and the villages were left widespread devastated. Devastated means destroyed. Okay. Many years were and many areas were left without power. That means no power was there. That means no electricity was there. And Mansukh Bhai Prajapati was a potter. He tried to make a new kind of refrigerator which helped them, that could work without electricity. A refrigerator that will work without electricity. The refrigerator is made of clay with a combination of sawdust, and there will be, this was made with the help of sawdust and sawdust and sand, and it makes porous. Porous means a place from where the evaporation can go out. Okay, small holes, but you cannot see without any object. You have to use microscope or all these things to see the pores. Okay, this make the interior cool, and the refrigerator has been named Mitti Cool. The refrigerator is named Mitti Cool, and it keeps the water cool, but it can store milk, fruit, and vegetables also, and it keeps it fresh, the fruits, vegetables, and milk for a week. Mitti Cool works on the principle of evaporation. Its main work is done through the evaporation. A cover chamber on the top store water. There will be a covered chamber. There water can be stored. The water percolates down the side and evaporates slowly. It percolates and evaporates slowly. Percolate means to pass a liquid through pores or to filter. Okay. Next, the clay fridge is a useful product for people in rural areas. Rural areas means those who lives in village. The electricity is not there, and not the quality of electricity is also not good over there. So, in rural areas, this fridge is very helpful. Some former president at that time, the president was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, had hailed Mansukh Bhai as a true scientist. He told Mansukh Bhai a true scientist because he have done a invention using low cost, and that is easily available materials. With the easily available sawdust and sand is very much available in our country. Next, a cloud of smoke floats out of Rama Devi's heart as she lights up her makeshift chulha or stove. As she prepares, engulfed by the acrid smoke from burning wood, both Rama and her young son cough incessantly. As she prepares chapatis for breakfast, Rama is among millions of Indian women, especially in rural areas, who have been inhaling and spluttering on smoke while cooking on chulhas that burn solid fuels like wood, cow dung, or crop waste. So Rama is among the millions of Indian women, especially in rural area. Rural area means in villages, who had been inhaling. So these chulhas, this makeshift chulha means a temporary chulha, where people used to burn woods, leaves of the plants, all these things, and these chulhas give a lot of smoke, and everyone in the area starts coughing because and it they coughs very badly. Okay, and in the rural areas this thing is very common. This thing is very common. Not a single woman in the rural areas have not smoked this one. While cooking on chulhas, they inhales this smoke while cooking on chulhas that burn solid fuels like wood, cow dung, and crop waste. When inhaled regularly, the smoke causes health problems like lungs function, tuberculosis, and heart diseases. If anyone is inhaling this one every time, every day, this infects the lungs, tuberculosis, and the heart diseases. Millions of people in India are affected by indoor air pollution, and the main contributor to this pollution is the smoke from chulhas. The burning of solid fuel in the chulhas also releases greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, as well as black carbon particles. Should all these contribute to the global warming. So, not only the smoke, it gives the carbon dioxide and methane also, and these black carbon particles and give some carbon particles also, that is soot, and this is the contribute they are contributing to the global warming. You know, I have read about the global warming. So the gases causes global warming are carbon dioxide, methane, and many other green gases over there. Read in science, or I think this is in science only. Next, since the 1980s, the government of India has been working to bring about improvements in the traditional chulhas under the National Plan for Improved Chulhas. So since 1980, government is trying to improve the traditional chulha under the national plan, and the corporate houses, non-profit groups, and innovative individuals have been trying to develop models that are low in smoke and cost. So some corporate houses and non-profit groups were trying to make some chulhas that will not give smoke and low cost also. It will give the low cost also. Low smoke alternatives like the Grihalakshmi, Frenzel, and Greenway smart stove have improved the health of those using them. So these are some of the stove companies who are making the stove to improve the health of them. Meanwhile, efforts to design a truly smokeless chulha are still on. Someday, perhaps, you could come up with a solution. So, now also it is they are trying to make new things, new stoves in low cost and without smoke so that the global warming may decrease in our earth. So someday maybe we will get the solution. So this is the story, this is the how the science is doing his services. And next day I will give the question answers, some questions and answers over there, and answers you will write, some questions I will give. Until then, do the exercise of the book. You know that you have to do it in the value education copy. Okay. Some questions. I have not given the questions today. So, till the next class, goodbye. Have a nice time.